Join me as I dive into the wild scenario of what would happen if all the gas giants collided with Jupiter at once. Gas giants are the largest planets in our solar system, and they're primarily composed of hydrogen and helium gases. They're massive, and their size and scale can be difficult to wrap your head around, but it's essential to understand their characteristics to appreciate the sheer enormity of the hypothetical scenario we're about to explore. Trying to comprehend a collision between all the gas giants and Jupiter is a daunting task, as it's a catastrophic event that would release an unfathomable amount of energy. The sheer scale of the destruction would be so immense that it's hard to put into words. If we were to imagine the consequences of such a collision, we'd have to consider the delicate balance of our solar system and how it would be disrupted. The effects would be felt across the entire solar system, and the aftermath would be nothing short of catastrophic. The potential consequences are almost too immense to consider, and it's difficult to even begin to predict what the outcome would look like. But, despite the challenges, let's dive deeper into this thought-provoking scenario. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it's a gas giant unlike any other. Its massive size and stormy atmosphere make it a force to be reckoned with. If we were to compare Jupiter to the other gas giants, we'd find that it's truly in a league of its own. For instance, Jupiter is more than twice the mass of Saturn, the next largest gas giant. The energy released from a collision between Jupiter and the other gas giants would be unprecedented. The initial impact would be followed by a series of massive shock waves that would ripple through the gas giants, causing chaos and destruction on an unimaginable scale. The release of energy would be so immense that it would likely create massive fireballs that would engulf the surrounding space. The gas giants would be torn apart, their components scattered across the solar system. In terms of the physical properties, Jupiter's mass is approximately 318 times that of Earth, and its size is so massive that it could fit all the other planets in our solar system within its atmosphere. The gas giants, though smaller than Jupiter, are still enormous in their own right. For instance, Saturn's rings would be torn apart, and its moons would be sent hurtling into space. The same would happen to the other gas giants, their moons and rings becoming casualties of the collision. The scale of the destruction would be so immense that it's difficult to even begin to understand. The most dramatic aspect of this scenario is the potential creation of a new star. Yes, you heard that right, a new star. The released energy could potentially ignite a nuclear reaction, giving birth to a new star in our solar system. This would have a profound impact on the stability of our solar system, potentially disrupting the orbits of the remaining planets. The consequences would be catastrophic, and it's difficult to even imagine what the new star would look like. Would it be a small, dim star, or a massive, blazing behemoth that would outshine our own sun? The possibilities are endless, and the implications are too immense to fully comprehend. If all the gas giants were to collide with Jupiter, the key takeaway would be the sheer scale of the event. The destruction would be catastrophic, and the consequences would be felt across the entire solar system. It's a thought-provoking scenario that challenges our understanding of planetary science and the delicate balance of our solar system. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride into the world of hypothetical planetary collisions. If you have any thoughts or opinions on this scenario, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more mind-bending space phenomena, be sure to check out my other videos.